How to make money on CPA leads. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can make money and what is CPA leads. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So I'm over here on their main website cpalead.com, and this is how it looks like. Now if you don't know what CPA leads is, it's basically a website where you can find different products, different affiliate links that you can promote, and I'm just simply going to show you how you can do that. So over here, as you can see, you can just simply get paid for installs, apps, pay for installs, iOS and Android apps, daily payments and stuff like that. So it's a pretty amazing website to get, make money on. So let's just go ahead and sign up. So to sign up, all you have to do is click on the sign up button over here in the bar or over here at the top. Any button will do it. You just need to sign up. And the sign up process is very simple as well. You can either sign up with your Google account or your simple email account. So over here, you just simply have to enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and confirm. And then just simply click on submit information, or you can sign up with Google as I said before. I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google. And once it's signed up, we are good to go. All right, so this is how it looks like. This is pretty much it. Over here, we're basically going to be, promoting different applications onto different platforms, and that's how we're gonna earn money. So this is how it looks like. This is gonna be your dashboard. Over here at the top, you're gonna have your earnings, your statistics and stuff like that. And then over here on the left side, we have a bunch of different options, such as statistics. Over here we'll have all statistics, lead breakdown, click breakdown, by day, by country, by hour, whatever we want. It's going to be over here. Then we have content logging, and over here we're basically going to be showing you what content logging is and what it does. Then we have offer walls over here that you can create, manage, over here, and you have offer API, post back, and stuff like that. But we are not gonna go into that. We're just simply gonna go ahead and see how it works. So over here, how to earn. So if you click on this button right here, it's going to show you how it works. So over here, app developers want installs for their app and they need your help. So we're just simply going to be promoting applications, Google or Apple Store, and that's how they're gonna have more installs, and that's how we're gonna earn money as well. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Now over here, these are a couple of things that you need to see. All right, EPC, this means earning per click. All right, this is very important. You need to find that. So for instance, if an offer that has a payout of $1 and has reported 100 installs for 1,000 clicks, you will have an EPC of 10 cents. To calculate this, take 1,000 and divide it by 100, and you will get your offer. So offers and apps with the highest EPC will have the highest rank, while offers that have low EPC rate will have lower rates. So keep that in mind. Now let's go ahead and jump into it. You can read all of this over here onto the main website if you want to, but everything else is just normal. This EPC is the one you needed to know about, and also this cap as well. This is the percentage of amount that remains balanced in the advertisers for the day. So if it says 20, then this means 20% of the advertising budget has already been spent for the day, and it will reset back to 0 tomorrow. So keep that in mind. So let's go ahead, and as I said before, we have a bunch of different accounts over here. So over here, these are the applications that we can promote. These are how it looks like. So we have KuCoin. It's basically a cryptocurrency type of application like Binance, where you can buy, sell, and manage cryptocurrency. I have used this in the past as well. It's a pretty amazing application. And over here, as you can see, we have device type, country, cap, fast pay, and EPC. So over here, as you can see, this application has a 16% at cap, which means that it's reached 16% of its daily budget, and you can earn 400 daily Sika app over here. It's burst, and this one as well, 2%, 80%, and 68%. So keep that in mind. So next we have EPC and fast pay as well. So we want EPC, right? So this is the application that has the highest EPC, and the payout is going to be $1. So Clean Fox over here, clean up your mail. This is one of the highest paying EPCs over right here. So each click is going to earn us $0.77. We have Clean Fox, clean up your mail. We have another one. This one is also for Android, and this one is located in Belgium, and its EPC rate is 0.33. So that's a little bit lower, so we don't want that. We would like to have this one, but we're just simply going to go ahead and check out, find a nice balance between the payout rates and the EPC, and find an application that is very popular. So buy Bitcoin now. So over here, this application is available for Android, and since cryptocurrency is really popular nowadays, so we can go ahead and you promote this product as well. It has a EPC of $25, and Amazon Photos, this is for iOS. I think these both will look good. It also has a fast pay option, so you will receive payments for these offers whenever you decide to cash out, so you don't have to worry about having to get paid after a month or bi-weekly. So just simply click on the application that you're trying to promote, and this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your affiliate link. Just simply copy this link and you're going to paste it onto different social media accounts, which I will show you in a minute. So these are some of the timestamp as well, and yeah, it just clearly shows us that recent offers and history over here that are pretty cool. So over here, these are some of the these are some of the lists that you have to follow. So we only want to share with people from these countries, such as Brazil. We only want to target these devices which are like Android, and we want to convert them for a sign up, for an account. And your traffic should use the app after installing. Average user session time is equal to your traffic quality. So that means that the longer the user will use the application, the more traffic quality, meaning the higher your chances are going to be good. And VPN or proxy traffics are not allowed, so keep that in mind. So if any user that is using this application with a VPN, that won't count, so keep that in mind. So having said that, you can go ahead and promote your links right here. So just copy the links and we are good to go. So now let's go ahead onto other social media accounts where we can promote this link. So if I come over here onto Pinterest, and we also want Pinterest and Quora. These are some of the biggest websites out there. I recommend more on Quora than I recommend Pinterest, but it still works as well. So if we're gonna come over here onto Quora, we just simply search for, let's say, Bitcoin, or something like that. Like we have a bunch of different spaces over here, and we just simply search for these spaces, and we have a bunch of different ones over here. Should I invest in Bitcoin? Is stuff like that. And since this application is a buy Bitcoin right now, we can go ahead and sell it. So over here, if someone asks like, where do I buy Bitcoin, then just simply copy the link and you can just simply post that link as an option, as an answer, and then they will click on that link and go ahead and move forward. So over here we have two major spaces over here. So all we have to do is just simply click on the spaces. It'll open up the space over here, and we can just simply go ahead and start answering the bunch of different questions that people have answered, or we can create our answer or question, and then we can paste the link over there. So Quora as well, that's one of the options. Another options you can do is Pinterest, as I said before. So to create a pin on Pinterest, what you'll need to do is just simply click on the play plus button and you can go ahead and move forward. But if you're still wondering why Pinterest, well, it's pretty easy. Daily, almost 350 people use Pinterest, so that's a lot of traffic, as you can see, and a lot of people are going to be using it, so we should probably use it as well. So we'll just simply come over here and search for, let's say, Bitcoin. That's something that's related to our CPA. We simply search for Bitcoin, and we're gonna have a bunch of different options over here. We want like alt boards, so we'll go with boards over here. We'll change it to boards, and these are all the boards that are available over here. Bitcoin and altcoin that have like 1,000 pins over here. So if I come over here and we just simply click on the plus icon, we can go ahead and create a pin for our affiliate link. And then over here, we just simply paste the affiliate link over here. And over here, we just tell them about the application, what it does and how it works, a brief little description about the application. And then over here, we can just, copy the name of the application that we're trying to promote, such as this one, but this one's name is already buy Bitcoin now, so we don't need to alter that. That itself is a pretty cool title. What you can do is, for example, if you were promoting another application such as KuCoin, what you can do is you could write like KuCoin buy cryptocurrency or other buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency on KuCoin. KuCoin is one of the best marketplace for cryptocurrency or something like that, so that can grab attention. And once you've done that, you just simply have to add in your picture over here. Now if you're wondering where you can create a picture like that, what you can do is just copy the image of your application that you're trying to promote. But if it doesn't have one, you could go over to, let's say, this website called canva.com, and you can go ahead and create your own image that you want. So make sure that the image is in a vertical format. So we just simply come over here onto Canva, and over here we have a bunch of different options. We can create a lot of images and videos, and for anything like Instagram posts, posters, business cards, infographics, resumes and stuff like that. So over here we want to create a pin, right? So we'll just search for Pinterest over here, add carousel ad. We don't want that. Pinterest, we'll just simply search for pins. Over here we'll just simply search for that. Maybe we'll get our answer. So over here we can go ahead and create a blank pin over here, and then we can go ahead and start creating one. So let's say we want something that's relative to Bitcoin, so we'll just simply search for Bitcoin over here in the search bar, and hopefully we get some answers. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different options over here. We can go ahead and move this. Let's say you could add this option right here with a different background as well, like this one. We could add that as a background. Let's go ahead and send it the backwards over there, and then we just simply increase the size of the image. Then we just simply paste it over here. Boom, just like that. There we go, something like that. Boom, there we go. Boom, that looks good. We just simply put it over here into the center, but we can't, so we'll just move it over there. Let me just move this over here. Yeah, I think that looks nice, something like that. I'm just moving around a bit, doing whatever I want, but you will use more creativity so that you can create a pretty decent looking pin, like something like this video, like this background looks much more better. So we'll just remove that, and we'll just send this to the background. And let me just small it out over here. Okay, that looks horrible. We'll just delete that and do it another one, and then we'll just simply fill it out over here. And then we'll just simply add like a graphic over here that can represent Bitcoin as well, like something like this coin right here. We put that over there, put this over here, anything else, but just make a nice pin, and then just simply download the pin over here. And once it's downloaded, you can just simply have to paste it over here, and then just simply click on save. Boom, you're good to go. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you drive traffic to your application, and that's how you basically earn money through CPALead. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.